Download and login guide for your MT4 account. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Tap on the search bar. Tap to type MT4. Enter to search. Tap Install. Tap Install again. Once it has finished installing, go back to your home page. Tap on the MT4 app. Tap Accept to agree with the terms and conditions of MT4. Tap on the menu icon on the top left-hand corner. Tap Manage Accounts. Tap the plus sign to add a new account. Select Login to an existing account. Key in reason to find broker. Tap into the search result as reflected. Enter your copy trade MT4 ID. Enter your copy trade MT for password. Tap Sign In. You should now see your name, your MT4 ID, your copy trade MT4 account balance. Tap this icon to check historical transactions in your MT4 account. It is by default to be showing records for the day only. Tap on the calendar account, select the date range that you wish to display. Set your own date range. Can you see when the boat is trading on your account? Tap this icon. When there is an open trade, you will see that there is a position placed. Live pricing updated when trade is live. Join Lztrade now.